what's up? It's Josh from Guitar with Josh. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Riptide. For this, since we're playing the guitar, it's going to be on first fret. Okay, so the chords you're going to need will be A minor, G, and C. So for this, you'll just play this once, and twice. You'll play the C twice, only the C. So strumming pattern will be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down. So let's go up, down, 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 up. Okay, so it entered up, then it goes back to down, up, 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 down, up. So the first strumming would be 2 down strums, then down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, something like that. So yeah, it's going to sound like this. That's how you play it. So I'm gonna play it slow. Okay, then A minor. Now, once you get to the verse where the thing says ooh, and then you go pause on C. You see they come unstuck. So you go pause on C. So let's do it like pause at C. Okay. So pause at C, mute, and then start playing again. Okay. Do that every single time when you hear the word ooh and then they come unstuck. You always pause at C. Okay. So that's how it goes. And now I'm going to show you how it goes by me playing it.
I was scattered into silence.